In this video, we are going to look at the 5 strategies that will help you to lose weight fast and effective coming up. Hey, what's up guys? Cara-Lee from CaraLeeCallen.com, helping you transform from the inside out. And on this channel, we do weight loss tips and strategy videos, reviews, and so much more. If you are new here, consider subscribing. So today's question comes from my Instagram direct messages. So make sure to follow me and send me a DM if you've got any questions related to fitness, health, or mindset. So the question was, how do you lose weight fast but effectively as well? This is a very broad topic because different things work for different people. But I have come up with a few ideas that is universal. So let's get into it. The first thing I want you to consider is intermittent fasting. So the question is, what is intermittent fasting? It is not a diet. It is simply a method or style of eating which is going to manipulate your metabolism so that you can burn more fat in less time. Something like carb cycling is also a popular method of eating to lose the weight. Although intermittent fasting is primarily used for weight loss, there are many benefits. Benefits include improved digestion, improved blood sugar levels, decreased cholesterol, and boosted longevity. So intermittent fasting can be done in a few different ways. So let's take the popular 16-8 rule. What this means is for 16 hours you will be fasting, and for the duration of the day, which is 8 hours, you will be eating. I would not recommend that you start with 16-hour fasting at this point, specifically if you haven't done it before. Why don't you start first with 12 hours of fasting and 12 hours of meals? Then you can bump it up to 14 hours of fasting and 10 hours of meals, and then eventually you can go to 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of meals. Another popular way of fasting is for 24 hours in one go. This method seems to work for quite a few people as well, but otherwise you can do a little bit of fasting on a daily basis. Number 2, I want you to drink a shock drink which will improve your pH levels. This drink consists of 500 ml water, 1 teaspoon flavored BCAAs, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. You want to combine all of these ingredients into the water. You want to drink it first thing in the morning upon wake up, before you even have your coffee or your tea. Apple cider vinegar is known for alkalizing the body, which results in weight loss. Because when you are overweight, generally the rule of thumb is your body is really acidic, and that's why you will use something like the apple cider vinegar shock drink. In order for you to alkalize your body, you need to drink this drink on a daily basis. You want to consume, in addition to the shock drink, alkaline foods as well. The third strategy you want to do to lose weight fast and effectively is by tracking your exercise and your diet. In today's digital age, we are spoiled for choice. In the old days, we did not have as many options available as we do today by tracking your food and your exercise on a daily basis. Today, you can simply go to the App Store or the Play Store and you can download an app called MyFitnessPal, and you can track your daily calories and the amount of movement you are doing on a daily basis. This is a great form of accountability. More often than not, we have absolutely no idea how much food we are consuming, if you are in a caloric deficit or not. And we all know that you need a caloric deficit to lose weight. The fourth strategy I would recommend if you want to lose weight fast is you do not want to have any cheat meals. Generally, as a coach, I recommend that my clients have 1 cheat meal per week as part of their weight loss program. But if you want to lose weight fast, you will probably going to have to do something a little bit more extreme, which is going to mean that you will not have any cheat meals for the first few weeks. This is definitely a bit more extreme than your normal lifestyle client. But remember, you said that you wanted to lose weight fast, so you're going to have to do something to earn it. If you avoid having any cheat meal whatsoever in the first few weeks, you will notice your body changing rapidly because you are forcing your body to use the fat storage on your body to burn as fuel. So not only will you lose the weight, but you're going to lose a substantial amount of centimeters in the process. In order to make it a little bit more bearable when not having any cheat meals, I would recommend that you can have a little treat. But that little treat is only allowed when you've got a lot of cravings and you can't seem to deal with it. What I would suggest as a little treat is maybe 2 blocks of Lindt chocolate or maybe 50 grams of plain unsalted popcorn. A normal cheat meal will be usually something like a burger, chips, a Coke, and a dessert. But I want you to hold back on it. Rather do little treats once every few days if you absolutely feel that you need to have it, and then get back onto your diet. You must remember, if you have the little treat, it needs to be worked into your daily calories. You will be absolutely amazed at how your body is going to change almost overnight if you do not have any cheat meals. It's absolutely worth it. And if your body is responding well, you can have a cheat meal after 4 weeks of consistency. And finally, number 5, I need you to work in more cardio than usual. If you want to see your body change dramatically within a few short weeks, you will have to consider working in a little bit more cardio than usual. Obviously, you are going to do your weight training, which will help to tone up and sculpt your body. But additional to that, you will lose centimeters as well. But you will also want to add a little bit of cardio on a daily basis, just to cover all of your bases. You can easily fit in a brisk 20-minute walk after working hours. You can take your dog along with you, or you can take your kids just to get some fresh air. But if you have a gym membership as well, you can do 20 to 30 minutes on the stepper. The stepper is also a great way to burn the fat around the glutes and the legs while toning and shaping at the same time. I would personally recommend a stepper because you really have to work hard to make those steps, and it's continuously moving forward. Well, this is all from me today. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.